Thanks for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava. Let's begin with the headlines you're tracking this hour. Iran's chief negotiator Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf says Tehran wants to bring talks with the US to a successful conclusion by securing Lebanon's territorial integrity and national sovereignty, adds that Iran will not stop pursuing their aims until a final outcome is achieved. Iran's chief negotiator hails good achievements after talks with the US and Switzerland, but admits that the Iranian delegation had walked out of the meeting over President Trump's threats. The discussions were held by mediators. Israel and Lebanon to hold talks in Washington from Tuesday as Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu declares that Israeli forces had been granted full freedom to engage any threat encountered in southern Lebanon, while reaffirming that troops would remain deployed in the region. FBI announces arrests of two more suspects for plotting to attack a White House event earlier this month. 5 people were arrested earlier. The conspirators allegedly planned to use drones and snipers to attack a mixed martial arts event on the White House lawn. US Navy chief says United States sees the Panama Canal as a national security priority and wants to ensure that no third country could influence its use. President Trump has accused China of having undue influence over the waterway. UK media reports suggest that at least 2 senior Labour members of Parliament are considering leadership bids to prevent Andy Burnham to become Prime Minister without a formal contest. Burnham is widely expected to succeed Keir Starmer as Labour leader. Secretary of Russia's Security Council Sergei Shoigu arrives in India to participate in a meeting of BRICS national security advisors. In what is perhaps the most significant deal in the Indian tech space, Meta invests $900 million into India's credit card payments and lending platform Cred. Cred's founder Kunal Shah will be moving to WhatsApp as its global head. And from the world of sports, Erling Haaland secures 2 goals as Norway secure a 3-2 victory over Senegal in 2026 FIFA World Cup. The wins sends Norway to the knockout round of the tournament.